Once you are invoicing customers, you need to know who owes you what. ZetaFisc's customer reports answer exactly that. They live under Insight Reports. There are 6 reports here, each on its own tab, and we will go through them all. The first is the statement of account, a single customer's full ledger of invoices and payments. Here is not gate statement, the invoice we raised, the 400,000 naira they paid, and a running balance. The closing balance, 298,750 naira, is exactly what they still owe. You can export this and send it to the customer to reconcile. Next, AR aging, everything owed across all customers, sorted by how overdue it is. Each balance is bucket, current, 31 to 60 days, 61 to 90, and over 90 days past due. Not gate sits in the current column because the invoice is new. As bills age, they shift across the columns, showing you who to chase first. The Payment History tab lists every payment received, when, from whom, how much, into which bank account, and against which invoice. The Sales Report shows your invoices line by line, amount, VAT, total and status, to analyze sales activity over any period. Profitability goes further, revenue, cost of sales, gross profit and margin for each customer, so you can see which customers actually make you money. And Top Customers ranks your customers by revenue, with each one's share of total sales, so you know your most important accounts. 6 reports in one place, statements, aging, payments, sales, profitability, and your top customers, everyone filterable by date and exportable to PDF, Excel or CSV. That is the full picture of your receivables and your customers.